Good morning, guys. It is 3:27. I think I'm gonna work on the computer a little bit. Work on the computer? That sounds so old. Jesus Christ. 3:30. So right now I'm just creating an album for yesterday's files. I have 87 videos. 87 videos to sort through from yesterday. I also forgot I have those garbanzo beans soaking. I don't like to feel rushed into things like drinking tea or coffee in the morning. Like my body literally, like I start getting like an uncomfortable feeling right there whenever I feel like, oh, I gotta hurry up and drink this. Just sharing. 3:55. I think I'm gonna give myself maybe an hour and a half. The daily window is 2 hours, but since today is day one, I don't know what to expect and I don't want to overwhelm myself. So I'm taking a little break to check on my beans. They're actually done. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm gonna drain these beans and then give myself another half hour and then I'll wrap it up for the day. Okay, so we're done with the coursework for the morning. 5:27, let's just call it 5:30. I was able to take some pretty good notes, so now I have an idea of what my note taking is gonna look like, how often I have to pause. I'm gonna have to be more disciplined as far as waking up at 3 on the dot because there is a lot of stops and pauses. It's probably like 5:30 or 5:40. We changed her pull-up and we'll just hang out until it's time for her to get ready around 6 o'clock. Already have her clothes laid out for today, so she'll wear this with some layers underneath. What, baby? What is it? It's so funny. Oh, you silly. I've also changed and put on the underlayers for my workout clothes. So I don't do fancy workout things. I just need to be warm because it's gonna be 30 something degrees outside today. And I'm not the biggest fan of cold weather. And I'm gonna start prepping my lunch and I'll share that with you shortly. So we've made our lunch for this afternoon when I come home on my break. Face. Hands down. Food. Yeah. Caterpillar. Butterfly. Apple tree. 2. 30. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey. Itsy bitsy spider. I have that, please. Thank you. Itsy bitsy spider. Wanna feel the spider again. What's after 17? Is it 18? So pretty and looks so nice and neat. Yeah. Wow. Wow. It's 7:26. We're gonna head back and try to get a quick jog in before we get ready for work. It's about 7:35. It's 30 freaking degrees out here. The real feel is 19. I thought I was gonna do a jog, but it's day one. I might just do a brisk walk. That's it. Okay guys, we are headed to work. Ideally, I would have been there literally 1 minute ago, but I'm 5 minutes away. It's 8:47. I hope you guys are having a fantastic morning. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2, and we'll keep doing this until whatever needs to get done gets done. I'll see you guys soon.